Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir had a great day today. So we are up 98 cents, 4.01%. We closed at 25.41. And post-market, we are even up another 9 cents. What does that look like on the chart? We are in this bullish channel. We have been there into this for a while, but I have only recently drawn this resistance. What we really care about is the support line. So we have been holding this support line for a while, even though I lost faith in that support line a couple of days ago, being emotional and all. But no, the support has been holding, and today, and we had this little symmetrical triangle here. So we were making lower highs, but higher lows. And now, poof, we just have this big green candle, and we almost close on this bearish resistance because the stock is also in this bearish channel. We are in this bearish channel, and now we are right smack on it. And we are also right smack with this little wick here, smack on this resistance here. So look at this. It touches here, it touches here, it touches here, it touches here. That's pretty strong resistance. It has been touched 4 times. So yes, strong Palantir stock. But here we are going to have to take a look at what is going to happen here, because we have 2 resistance in place. So it's not impossible that the stock wants to go like this. This is what the channel does. But at the same time, this is what this channel says we should do. So which one is going to win? That's the big question. If you want to take early profit, then this is a nice way to take a very small profit. But if you want to hold on to this stock for a while, look at this here. Look at this here. So if we come back here and continue, that's going to be fine. If we come back here and break, then maybe we are heading this direction. Okay, let's look at the 1-hour chart. Wow, look at this. Nice big green candle. The stock did all the work during the first hour. Then second hour went a little bit higher too, then came back. Did maybe a third pullback, and then inching back up for the last 3 hours of the day. I like to see this. And it closed outside of this on the hourly chart. Not bad at all. This Palantir stock is pretty interesting and impressive. Let's look at our indicators. Indicators are starting to be convinced now. So stochastic at 44, still having a hard time. RSI crossed 50, so that's good. The strength of the stock is still increasing. MASD still crossed over, and DMI is a lot happier here. Look at this green candle here. Let's just see what happens, and let's care about this support line here. I'm going to put it with 2 pixels so that we look at it here. Let me just make it a little bit nicer to look at. That's pretty good like this. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.